evening.
Oh, just she cook a small amount of food for you, just for you.
Yeah, because my wife and my new fit, my
Mhm.
wife and my go out, not not at not at the house now. So I I have dinner alone. So just only me.
Wow, that's great to hear. Okay, thank you so much for that, Mr. Tommy. And she cooked, yeah, and she cooked for you meat for your dinner.
Pork meat
Mm-hmm. Ah, pork
and,
meat. Uh-huh.
and vegetable and egg. No eggs. I have pork meat, pork meat, vegetable. Sorry, I forgot. Rau là gì ta? Em quên mất.
Uh-huh.
Rau là gì? Rau là
Rau,
gì chị nói đi nhỉ?
chữ đau đau đớn hả?
Rau á, rau củ á.
Rau vegetable.
Uh, I have veget sao trứng là gì?
Egg.
Yeah, you can write down
Yeah.
on Vietnamese so that I can help you find the answer maybe.
Trứng là egg.
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 Egg. Yeah, egg.
Yeah.
And egg. Yeah. Because I just I am learning English grammar. I am learning English grammar in this morning. So I am trying to talk to correctly
Mm-hmm.
by grammar. So I need to think. Um, I need to think more than
Yeah, you know what, Mr. Tommy, I gave you some, before, I'm also same like you. I don't know how to deliver it or how to make my grammar correctly, but of course, one of my friend tell me that if you want to deliver well your grammar is, just to relax, relax your body first, relax your mind first before you speak.
okay.
Yeah, so that is the one of the biggest, one of the biggest learning that I've learned to her, you know. Like,
Yeah,
I don't know how to deliver, like, example, I'm talking to a foreigner, like a foreign people. Like, I don't know how to say, I know how to answer them, but I don't know how to answer it when I'm talking to them, like, example, we are talking here in English.
yeah,
I don't know how to talk to you. I don't know how to talk to you in a way I want, you know like, I always, being scared, I'm always thinking, oh, maybe I will deliver it incorrect, and it's not, I will be only shy if, or I will be ashamed if I will say, or I will deliver it incorrect grammar. But, It's not about the grammar, or we don't need, like, no one is perfect, delivering correctly grammarly, but of course the way we deliver it, and of course the way we speak, or the way we delivered it. So for me, I believe that we people can understand us if we can speak it with, with actions, with gesture.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Yeah, I
yeah,
see. I see.
I think, yeah, you can relax your mind first if you want to deliver it correctly. I know that, I know how to say it, but of course sometimes we are, we are mute because, oh, maybe it's incorrect, like those
Yeah, I
feeling.
see.
I understand it. All right,
Because
but go ahead.
but I think yeah, I think when I say something you the grammar I learn, I
Mhm.
think it will help me to remember it more. You know.
Yeah, but guys, I noticed that, like from the start we are met each other, it's too different. When I'm first time talking to you guys, like, I don't know how to uh I don't know how to I don't know what you said, but that because it's not, I'm saying it's too bad, but now you are good, and of course I can understand you now because you are good in pronunciation, and of course you can make your own grammar. Okay, so yeah, that's the best thing I noticed for you guys, like a little bit confident when we are speak,
Yeah,
guys. So yeah, I know you have confidence, but of course we can't we can't say that, oh, I'm perfect now, so I can
yeah,
talk somebody,
I,
you know what I
I agree.
mean.
I agree with that. I think I have a thing I feel proud of, of that. That is yeah, that is the confidence. Yeah, I feel confident when I say to someone. Yeah, although they are the new person. I that is the first first conversation say with yeah, I feel confident when I say with them. But you know, I think only the confidence is not enough for me for better. I want to get the high step in the English. Yeah,
Oh, yeah. Actually, on that matter, we can learn it step by step.
yeah, okay.
English is has a long term we learned,
Yeah,
and we can't say that we can't learn it, but I know from time to time we learn, or from time to time we listened, um like listen music and English music. We can get some words there, and we can apply
yeah,
it when we are talking for somebody or for a foreign people. Yeah, you
yeah. I
must,
see.
or guys, you can also you can make a habit to listen an English song, so it will help
Uh,
you guys. Yeah, and of course I'm reading some books, English books, and before, my teacher, my English teacher tell me or advise me that if I want to be fluent or to deliver it correctly, so the English book, uh, there has a sentences there. So he told me I will sing those letters or those words. Yeah. So from time to time, if I have an exam, so I make it like these pages. Like example, like example, these pages. I sing this one. I always sing these words. All
Yeah.
of these words, I always sing it, and it's helped me, easy to remember. Yeah.
Uh,
When I'm reading, I'm singing. I'm not good in singing, but when I'm reading, I'm always singing.
so you will you will exchange it to the song.
Yeah, I make this graph or this graph or the sentences. I make it as my song books.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's for me it's helped me to remember or to memorize my answered and of course the questions. Yeah.
Okay, I see.
So that's a little,
Yeah,
it's a
yeah,
tricky
very.
advice. Yeah, and one thing I learned is when you want to say tell or when you want to say something to a foreign people, like example, you want to say how are you today? What are you doing today? Like you want to say something but you can't say in English. One thing you will remember will you say construct first on your language. Like example, your Vietnamese language, construct it first on Vietnamese language and translate it on English. Yeah, it's more easy. Yeah, believe me.
Oh,
It's more easy.
can
Not
can
like,
can you
yeah.
can you repeat?
Yeah, sure. First, like example, I'm a foreign people. Then we are
Yeah,
talking. Like example, I'm asking to you, hey, can you tell me where is the way going to the mall? Like
yeah,
example, okay, relax your body first, relax your mind. That's then after that, you will think it. You will construct your sentence on your language first, like Vietnamese language. And in my end, I construct it on Filipino language.
yeah.
And then after that, when I construct it on my language, I will translate it into English and I will deliver it to the foreign people.
Oh,
Yeah, it's work. Yeah. Yeah, because before I don't know how to, I know how to answer them, but I don't have confidence first
so
and of
yeah, I see what you say. But sorry, I have question for you. Yeah, I thank you. But I you know I I heard someone say that um English not the same. um, my example Vietnamese, you cannot translate Vietnamese uh, sentences because not the same. Because sometimes a sentence, a Vietnam sentence mean that's long, but in English it's just three, four words,
Mhm.
but Vietnamese long. So it is difficult to translate
Mm,
from Vietnamese.
yeah, yeah, I understand that because That also on our country, not also in Filipino. So in one words, or like example, 5 words, or 5 words, or yeah, 5 words. It's
Yeah.
combine if sorry, it will be transferred in English for one words only.
Yeah.
Yeah, like this example. Let me show you. Okay, I will construct some Filipino language, and I will say it in English. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so this is Filipino, sorry, right here. All right, so like example, I will say this word.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's a lot of, it's has a long words, but in English it's short sentence. Yeah. Right.
I get this. I get this.
Yeah, same on your.
Um, but in Vietnamese, sometimes you cannot translate from Vietnamese to English because we such a the noun, the noun. Uh, adjective, adjective. Now, you know, example, the white dress, but in Vietnamese, mm, the rest is a why it after a, not first a, not before a. So it have some difficult, some different in. Yeah, you can Vietnam.
Because I'm too curious. Oh, I see.
It so sorry. I think we should skip it
Oh, yeah.
because
Mhm. Yeah, but I think,
yeah,
yeah, actually, I get what you said. So on just for on letter A, you have three kinds of A. All right, how to pronounce this word?
not it not uh, yeah, I mean different. Uh, yeah, sorry, you can into the Google Translate.
Google Translate.
Translate
Like English to
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese. Uh-huh.
Yeah. So I will show you the different from the you English you you write the rest.
Yeah.
Oh, the rest.
Sorry, I can't understand. Sorry. Your maybe
Why?
I don't know if my is it my internet is not good or
Okay. Um, white dress. White dress.
white dress.
Yeah. Yeah, you can see.
Oh, I
So
see.
you can see white. It trắng.
Mhm.
Yeah. So white dress. It have different from other the work other how to work. So we cannot translate from So it is easy example.
Oh, I see. Yeah, it's it's yeah, I think yeah, you have a point. Yeah, it's too difficult like it's difficult to translate it. But, of course we have different way how learning, so yeah, I know that you can do it someday, and you will already do it. You can already make your grammar, you can make also your sentences. You can explain your sentence, and of course we understand it. All right, so thank you
Yeah.
so
Okay.
much. So much.
So thank you, but I think we should continue the lesson. Sorry, Narin.
Yeah, Naren, you want to add something about Mr. Tommy? You know, um,
Okay. I study. I can see you study.
yeah,
Because I don't know.
yeah. So yes, of course, we have some difference, or how's it? How to say this word? It's We have different languages, and of course we have different translating. Okay, so
Yeah.
thank you so much for that. All right, now then, last time you tell me that our topic will be birthday. So
Yeah.
I prepared for you something. It's yeah, I already put here some questions so that we can easy to read. All right. So
Yeah.
today's topic is a happy birthday, or is a birthday. All right. So okay, now let's start with the questions. Okay, who will answer it first? Mr. Tommy, do you want to answer it first?
Okay. When okay. I got what bạn in February second day, the second day of February.
Oh, all right. So second day of February. So February 2. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. And you're all ready?
Uh, Nari, me?
How about you, Narain? When is your birthday?
My birthday 27 September.
Oh, September 27. All
Yeah.
right. So that is my
Oh,
uncle's
oh,
birthday.
sorry.
Oh,
Sorry,
you forgot.
37. I forgot endless. 37.
27. Oh, sorry. What is it?
37.
37?
Yeah.
37.
Oh,
So ngày
Oh,
37.
September 27. Narain, we have one in 30 days.
17, 17. 17. Ủa?
Uh,
Fif- fif-
17.
17.
Oh, Narain.
Oh, oh,
You forgot.
I don't remember.
Is it 17,
17, 17.
7,
Yeah.
or 27? We don't have Narain. We don't have
I,
we don't have 37, Narain. All right, so
I,
27.
yeah.
All right, so September 27. So, my daughter, my baby, She is September 5.
Ah,
Same. And September 27, that is my uncle's birthday.
Not 30, not 27. Her birthday is September 17.
17.
All right, September 17.
Sorry.
All right.
I don't remember the month.
Wow.
September 7.
Wow. So thanks to Mr. Tommy, he remember your birthday. Okay. All right, that's great. All right, now so here is the second questions. So how are the birthdays celebrated in your country? All right, can you share to me how do you celebrate your birthday? Like example, 18. So in Philippines or in other countries, actually, we have 18th debut for girl. So this is the debut for girls.
Yeah.
For boys is 21, right?
Sorry, I think we have some problem with the internet connecting.
Oh, is it
Yeah.
it my part or
I don't know. And sometimes
oh
we don't hear don't listen to you say. Don't hear you say.
oh is it Narine, is it my connection is not well for you also?
Connection.
Connection like
Oh,
internet, my internet. Is it
yes, yes. Okay.
yeah, my connection is okay. Oh,
Yes.
maybe Mr. Tommy,
Uh,
your connection is not good.
yeah.
All right, that's fine. All right, so yeah. So can you share to me how do you celebrate your birthday on your country? Okay, who wants to answer this one?
Mm, Nar- mm, Narin, are you want to answer?
Okay.
Do you
I think
answer?
my birthday. In my country, I think my birthday. Um, when birthday, I have a birthday.
Cake.
Okay. Yes.
Uh-huh.
And uh, on the cake have a candle.
Oh, same. All right. Yeah, same this
Yes.
one.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
My friend, my family um, can he can um, best wish for you. Send congratulations.
Oh, like
Yes.
a card.
Yes.
Card or birthday card.
Yes.
Mm.
And best visit for me. And we can sing happy birthday and uh, I wish yeah.
Oh, I see. I think we have, I think it has a different celebrating when during our birthdays. Okay, so for here also, when we have a birthday celebration, so we have cake. Cake is common for birthdays, right? Weddings, etc. So cake is a very, it's a national food during birthdays. Yeah. So I think we have difference how to celebrate our birthdays. All right. Now, okay, now I think yeah, that would be for the second questions. And how about the third questions? What are the some birthday traditions you know of from other countries? Like example, what traditions of birthday? All right, what is it? Yeah, what do you know, or which country do you know that it has, it has a tradition during they celebrating their birthday? Do you know some countries celebrate their birthday in a different way? Like, how about Mr.
I,
Tommy?
mm, yeah, I am searching.
All right. So, okay. So, while you're searching, let me give you some hints. So, on
Uh,
my previous, on my previous country, I've, I've been, like in Hong Kong and in Kuwait. Kuwait is a Muslim country. So, yeah, how they celebrate their birthdays, like example for 1 year old boy. So they are, um they gathering, or they celebrate their birthday for 1 month. Like example, their birthday is February. Whole February they are celebrating. Yes. So that will I know for Muslims people. So I don't think so if all Muslim people, but for the kids I'm tutoring before, so he is celebrating for 1 month birthday. So his birthday is his birthday is February uh February 16, but he celebrate his birthday from September 1 to I know from February 1 until February 28. Yeah. So it's too, like I don't know how to say, but that is his mother said that that is their tradition. So how about you guys? Do you know some place or some country that's celebrating their birthday in a different way, or they have tradition to celebrate their
um,
birthday?
yeah, I am. I have search. I have already searched it. Okay, you know, I have already searching it, so I uh, think, but mm, firstly, in Chinese, in in Chinese, in China, sorry, in China, um, in the birth, in the birthday, it is someone birthday, the parent will cook, um, mm, you know, Thai, Thai mm, noodle, traditional Thai noodle in China. Có dây. The name that the name of that noodle, it mean wait for long life, you know,
Mhm.
wait for they have long life. High age. So, yeah. Secondly, in Korea, I am seeing they will is seaweed
Mhm.
in their birthday. Yeah, that is on the thing I search about.
Oh, all right, I get it.
Other,
So you said that Chinese traditional food or Chinese people is cooking uh cooking some noodles or noodles for their
yeah,
birthday. It's means for a long life.
yeah, that's right.
Oh, so yeah,
Because
also Filipino. Yeah, also Filipino believing on that tradition maybe. So we also have some noodles and
yeah,
spaghetti. Yeah. So those are
uh,
the favorite,
but
Hmm.
but
right?
Okay.
I search it. I search it. I see they call that noodle it it's the long line noodle because you can see the noodle. It's very long, very long. So I they eat it.
Oh, yes. Yeah, I see it. Okay, thank you so much for that. So, yeah. So, Chinese people, all right, yeah, cook that noodles for their long life. Wow. Okay, so thank you so much for sharing those ideas and of course for, for giving us knowledge okay, about
Yeah.
Chinese traditional food. All right. Okay, now how about
You-
Noreen? Do you want to add something?
Uh, I don't want.
All right, now. Okay, now let's move on to okay, question number 4. How do you like to celebrate your birthday? All right, Noreen, I think you can do it.
I think you will surprise because I don't like everyone celebrating my birthday.
Why?
I
Why?
I I think I think when someone between me, I feel I not refreshed.
Oh, so
Yeah.
do you feel if someone or everybody around you or surrounded
Yes,
you, you're
around
not
me.
feel comfortable, is it?
Yes, then I'm not comfortable. But
Oh.
I want if I have a boyfriend or a husband, I think two people who can yeah
And
uh,
how do you celebrate your
celebration.
birthday then?
Yeah, but they I don't like many people. I so I'm not comfortable.
Oh, I see.
Uncomfortable.
Wow, so it's unrare, most of the people I know, they like celebrating with a lot of people around. But you don't
Yeah,
like people around, surrounded you
yeah,
because you're not comfortable. Yes, and of
yeah,
course, yeah, maybe I will keep on mind because if I will have or if my birthdays come coming when my birthdays will come, no, I maybe I will not invite it someone so that I will not spend a lot of money, right?
yeah.
I
Me
get it
too.
now.
I'm have not money.
Yeah, it's not,
I think so.
yeah. So that's a great idea, Naren. Thank you so much for that.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, how about Mr. Tommy? Are you still there?
Um, yeah.
Then, how do you celebrate your birthday?
On yeah, you know, honestly, be honest, I am introvert, so mm, I really don't want to celebrate um, um, big party with my- in my birthday because I I am the same Lauren. I feel not comfortable with that, including drink beer. When I drink beer, I am if half beer, it's okay, but if it don't have beer, I don't like.
Oh. Yeah. So that's great, guys. Yeah, maybe because actually on my birthday, I'm not always celebrating it. Just only my husband giving me some flowers, some cakes. But yeah, because
Uh,
I feel so older if I celebrate my birthday, man.
yeah, because I really I'm really not shy person. I'm not a shy person, but uh, I feel not comfortable idea
Mhm.
because I like
All right. Yeah. So I understand that. All right. So Mr. Tommy. So maybe you're.
yeah that no.
Yeah. Yeah. Maybe your connection is not good right now. Yeah. But yes. Yeah. I do understand about it. And of course, you know, if I know some people, if they celebrate their birthday, they have some drinks, right?
Yeah,
Drinks, alcohols,
yeah,
right?
and with my
Eating.
family and with yeah with that my family and friend as well.
Yes. Okay, so thank you so much for that. All right, now let's have the fifth questions. So, what is your best birthday memory? Yeah, what is your best birthday memory then?
Not really.
Narain, what is your best birthday memory?
Because I don't like celebrating my birthday. So I think I'm not best my best birthday memory. Yeah. Uh, and I think 1 year everything every day best
Oh.
memory.
Yeah, even it's not birthday, right? I
Yeah, not
see.
birthday. And when uh, when I young, my family not celebrating birthday. Yeah,
Oh, I see.
when I study in university, I
Mm.
I know I know birthday. Yeah,
Wow.
yeah. Because when I my country not not everyone not um don't care.
Mhm.
Yeah. So and now I think my birthday normal.
Oh, I see. So when you were young, so you're not really celebrating your birthday. Oh,
Yeah,
same
no.
as mine. So, actually, my mom, not always celebrating our birthday because, she is alone raising us, like six kids. So she is one parent raising for six children. So, I think that is also the reason why we don't have birthday celebration every time and then. But of course, we celebrate during 7 years old, 18 years old. Yes. So those are our debuts. But it's not too grand. But yeah, at least we have some food to share our neighborhood. Yeah. So I think for me that is my most memorable birthday. During my 18th birthday. Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much for that, Narain. So I hope you can have your birthday this coming September 17th. Yeah. Okay. And Mr. Tome will eat food on your house. She will come over. He will come over to drink some alcohols and eat some foods. Right, Mr. Tommy? Don't forget her birthday, Mr.
Uh,
Tommy.
I, uh, sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah, it's
Okay,
loading.
okay.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
but it's loading. Okay,
I,
go ahead, Mr. Tommy.
of course, I make sure I remember her my wife birthday.
Oh yeah, I remember your wife's birthday is last Tuesday, right? Oh, Wednesday. Yesterday. Is it? Is it your wife's
Right.
birthday yesterday or last Tuesday?
The Wednesday, last
So,
Wednesday,
last Wednesday, Tuesday.
last Wednesday,
Oh, yesterday.
Wednesday, not Thursday. Last
Yeah,
Wednesday.
last Wednesday.
Yeah, that's right.
Yesterday is
So
Wednesday, Mr. Tommy.
yeah, yeah, that's right.
You saw yesterday. Mr.
So
Tom. So what did you did for her
sorry.
birthday? Did you surprise her?
I, uh, I, I have some problem. Yeah, I see. I forgot that. so
Oh,
so mm, yeah, so, the fifth question, right?
where you are now, Mr. Tommy? I'm sorry. The question is, what is your best birthday memory?
Yeah. Okay. The best birthday memory is the first birthday after I ate with my friend, my wife. Yeah. She, she slept slept very uh,
Really? Slap you like this?
certain memory. Mm, mm, he, she um, mm, um, she bring a birthday cake. Mm, and sing the birthday song when I am when I prepare to prepare to go to dance, So I feel surprised that. So I think it the best birthday memory. Can you hear me?
Yeah, the last word we heard is um the last memory or the best memory that you had is last year birthday, is it, or the day before you met your wife?
Now it's okay, Miss Evelyn.
Okay.
Okay. So so did you did you understand on mm, my story? Sorry,
Actually,
did you understand?
actually, it's not completely, but I'll just hear that the best memories, the best memory birthday for you, or the best birthday memory for you is the day before you met your wife and he slapped you. Is that what you meant?
No, not slap.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm
I
sorry.
mean
Because that what I heard, he slapped you. That's why I'm asking,
yeah,
he slapped you like this way?
yeah, I mean my best birthday memory is the first birthday after I date my wife.
Oh, oh, so
Yeah, then yeah, that that day she bring a birthday cake to mm, mm, come to my house, then sing the birthday song.
oh
So
wow, it's too sweet.
I think it is my birthday memory, my best birthday memory.
Wow, so sweet. So, the best birthday memory you have is um the first birthday before your wife answered you yes. Is it what you meant? Like,
Yeah,
and she bring you some cakes and sing happy birthday to you.
yeah.
So do you think, Mr. Tommy, do I need to do it to my husband as well? Next month is her
Yeah,
birthday.
right.
Do I need to do it like this? Like your wife did to you?
uh, no, let me see. Let me think. Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, but I'm not sweet girl, Mr. Tommy. But yeah, your wife is too sweet. So
Yeah,
yes, it's make you happy, and of course, those those memory won't forget it, right? So yes, good
that's right.
job. So
Mm,
thank you so much for sharing those to me, to us, Mr. Tommy.
yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you so much for that. All right, and you surprised for that because as a man, you didn't maybe expect that she will bring you some cake and saying happy birthday for you, right?
yeah.
Wow, that's great to hear. All right. Do you have any questions?
No.
No questions. All right. All right. So here, So, yeah, I think we don't have enough time to tackle this one, but of course, we will continue this one on next meeting or maybe on Tuesday. Yeah, but
Okay.
Mr. Tommy, you promised us to show to show as your wives, and
Yeah.
we can greet her some
Yeah.
happy
Uh,
birthday before we end.
yeah. My wife just come back my home.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay. I will show you my- Okay. Let me turn the background.
all right, good.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello, teacher.
Can you see her?
Yeah, a little blurred, but yeah, I can see her. Hi.
Hello.
Yeah.
She is
This,
my friend.
Yeah, happy birthday to you. So, yeah, last
this my,
Tuesday.
my
Yeah. Hi, happy birthday to you. So last Tuesday we asked Mr. Tommy to ask you to come over so that we can, we can greet you on advance. But he said on Tuesday, on Thursday. Yeah. So yeah, we asked her to to meet you again. All right. Good
our
evening.
rock
Happy
love.
birthday to you.
Yeah.
Chúc sinh nhật của tôi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. And so have a long life and of course be strong for your newly married. All right. All right. So Mr. Tommy shared to us some things about uh the biggest surprise on her birthday last year. So may I know what is Mr. Tommy, surprise for you? And may I know your name
Uh,
first?
yes, my name is Diệu.
You.
E
Wow, nice
I
name.
U Diệu.
EU. Oh, nice name, EU. Nice to meet you. All right, good. Narine, do you want to say something? Narine, you shocked?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
Oh, say hi.
Yeah, it's too nice to meet you today, EU. And of course,
Uh, and she went to my she went to my house yesterday.
oh,
Yeah.
wow. Wow.
Uh, mm,
All right, so that's nice to hear. All right, thank you so much for come over and have a small talk with us. All right, so thank you so much again, Narain and Mr. Tommy, of course, Io. Thank you so much and happy birthday to you again. Goodbye and
happy
see
birthday.
you on
Oh,
Tuesday.
teacher.
Yes.
Your birthday.
Oh, my birthday is on October 10, so it's too far, so I don't mind it. Maybe you forgot it. All right, so
Okay, fine.
yeah. Okay, so Mr. Tommy will on February 2, right? And Narain will on September 17th.
Yeah, September 17th.
Yeah.
17. Yes.
Okay. So thank you so much, guys, for having this night today. All right. So good night, everybody, and I'll see you again on Tuesday. All right.
Yeah.
Good night, everybody.
Goodbye.
bye.
Goodbye. See you.
Good
Bye.
night, dear. Good night, Mr. Tommy. Good night, Narain.
Bye.